me through how you welcome the guest. Every time I come in, I'm always overwhelmed with how friendly you and your family are.
Good morning. Come on in.
Come on in, welcome, please.
How's everything? Good to see you.
Frank makes everything personal here. He's the best. It's about company culture, and it's you're always so warm and welcoming. Most people in business think they're serving coffee or sandwiches. You're running a business and an operation, but I think really what you're serving, Frank, is the energy and the attitude, and really welcoming to everybody. I keep coming back here all these years because it's always so inviting. What is your secret, you think, to doing that every day?
Well, there is a secret. The thing is, you have to give love to the business so the business can show you love back. And if that is the bottom line, the baseline of any business will be successful. And people like you will make it possible to continue opening our doors year after year and having people come in, having our regulars come in, and everybody feels warm in here and feels good 100%. With the energy that we have.
I definitely feel the energy when I come in here. But you see, so what is it that you love most about your business?
I always say my customers are my boss. So if my customers are happy, that means my bosses are happy.
That's awesome.
So I feel like also you have to lead by example. So I believe a good leader has to do exactly that. Get their hands dirty with the employees, just so they can see that they're not by themselves. It's a team effort with a good leader, which I also have good leaders under me. So we will make everything flow and everything continue rolling.
I think the energy is awesome. And I think really that's how we make a difference. And I think really what we're saying, the speed of the team is determined by the speed of the leader. And we're just setting that tone for our team to achieve excellence and really making a difference in other people's lives. What do you think?
I believe that's the name of the game.
Let's make this happen.